If you're seeing the Facebook Marketplace error performing query message, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the fastest fixes you can try right now. This is a common issue, and in most cases, it can be solved with just a few simple steps. So if Marketplace is not loading properly, or it keeps giving you an error when you search or browse listings, stay with me and let's fix it together. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. It really helps the channel, and it only takes a second. Alright, let's get started with the first fix. The easiest thing to try is refreshing the page. On your keyboard, press F5 to reload Facebook Marketplace. Sometimes the error happens because the page didn't load correctly, and a simple refresh is all it takes to clear the issue. After refreshing, wait a few seconds and see if Marketplace loads normally again. If the error is still there, the next thing to check is your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause Facebook Marketplace to fail when it tries to load search results or listings. Make sure your Wi-Fi is connected properly, try opening another website, and see if that site loads without problems. If your connection seems slow, switching to a stronger network, reconnecting to Wi-Fi, or restarting your router may help. Now, if refreshing the page and checking your connection didn't solve it, the next step is to clear your browser cache. Over time, your browser stores old files and temporary data, and sometimes that cached information conflicts with Facebook Marketplace. To clear it, go into your browser settings, find the Privacy or History section, and clear cached images and files. Once that's done, close the browser completely, reopen it, and try Facebook Marketplace again. If you're still getting the error-performing query message after that, it may also help to sign out of Facebook and sign back in, or try opening Marketplace in a different browser. Sometimes the problem is browser-related, and using Chrome, Edge, or Firefox can make a difference. You can also try opening Facebook in an incognito or private window to see if an extension is causing the issue. The good news is that most Marketplace query errors are temporary, and one of these basic fixes usually gets everything working again. So just to recap, first, refresh the page by pressing F5, then check your internet connection, and finally, clear your browser cache. Those 3 steps solve the issue for many users. If this helped you fix the Facebook Marketplace error-performing query problem, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more simple troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.